Samsung Electronics Galaxy Book Odyssey Intel Laptop Computer 15.6 LED Screen Intel Core i7 Processor 32GB Memory 1TB SSD Long-lasting Battery Mystic Black. Brand Samsung. Series Galaxy Book Odyssey. Screen size 15.6 inches. Color Mystic Black. Hard disk size 1TB. CPU model Intel Core i7. RAM memory installed size 32GB. Operating system Windows 11 Home. Card description dedicated. Graphics Coprocessor NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti. Geek performance. Jaw-dropping graphics. From the latest 11th Gen Intel Core processor to the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti Max-Q graphics card, this powerful PC is designed to help you get more out of every moment. Personalize your gaming experience. Discover a new level of thrills with Odyssey Control, a built-in app that gives you control over the way you experience your game, including real-time performance checks, fan speed optimization, and custom settings for each gaming genre.